Hey guys!
Hey everyone!
I'm guessing you've come over here from our video of the vlog of our first day, travel day, to Disneyland Paris. Or you're just really interested to see what a cabin looks like at Davy Crockett's Ranch here at Disneyland Paris. So we're going to take you inside and give you a quick tour and show you what it's like to get one of the cabins here.
We have a very excited little boy that's inside.
Yeah, that will take you inside. So this is the outside area. So as soon as you come in, you have a little place to be able to put your car. And then as you come in here, you have like a little area, sitting like bench area, and then you come inside. Thanks for that. Picnic bench. Come on, take us through. Show us the tour, Ollie.
Yeah, I'll show you my bed first.
Okay, so first of all, before we go into the bedroom, when you first come in here, you are greeted with the kitchen area. So you've got a dishwasher and a hob. You've also got your kettle, your toaster. You've also got your coffee machine and a microwave. And then in terms of utensils and what you get in here, so that's what you, like a chopping board, burger flipper, as you know. Yep. That's a must.
That'll be for the barbecue, outside,
yeah,
probably.
which we'll show you in a second. You have your pans and your big pan, bottle opener, and then your usual utensils. And then you've got like your cups and your glasses,
Can you show my bedroom now? Huh?
plates, jugs, and your sieves and stuff. I think that's it.
Storage cupboards.
Storage cupboards. And then to the right you've got your safe, and then you've got your fridge. Has it got a freezer? Yep, with a little mini freezer in there. Pretty decent size actually. Then you have your little
Table.
yeah,
and
dining table and your sofa.
Lounge area.
Your telly up there.
Little desk. And a cupboard with a dustpan and brushing.
And the bit Ollie's most excited to show you going in here, so you move to your left hand side.
It's my bedroom.
Okay, 1 second, let's show everyone these first. So you've got your little mini toilet.
And
There we are. What's in there, Ollie?
the shower. Sofa.
And to your left,
Shower?
you've got your shower.
Yeah. Like, so I'll show you, there's another shower in your room. Then we've got 2 showers in the cottage.
And then this
My
is,
bedroom!
what would you call it? The kids' room? Or just like the second bedroom?
The quadruple room.
There you go. Yeah, so you've got 2 single beds.
Yeah, this
And
is
then
my
another single bed with a single bed underneath it. So
Pull-out single.
yeah, there you go. So
and
potentially
a
4.
single bed.
4 singles.
He's very excited. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hanging
Oh, I
space.
have a single bed under it.
There's some little cupboards up there, which I'm guessing is just more storage. Yeah.
What's in there?
More storage.
What's in there?
So yeah, so that's the right hand side. And then
Oh, there's a sliding door as well.
do it again. Go into the left hand side as you come in is then the master bedroom. So the double bed.
You even go.
What have you got up there? Go on, give it a pull. Go on, give it a big pull. Go on, you can do it, pal. You've got it.
Oh, there we are.
There you go. It's a cupboard.
How do I get it back down?
You're not going to be able to know, are you? Mirror in the master. And then like a little, you probably can't see that, 1 second. There we go, now you can see it.
Come
And then
on,
you've got your
Daddy.
cupboard area here.
Can you get it out?
So there you go. All these clothes in that now. Go on, give it a close.
Going down.
And then you have the master, well, the ensuite, yeah?
The ensuite.
You have the ensuite.
Go on, Wendy.
So you got your sink, your toilet, a mirror. Hi. Yeah, a mirror. Your mirror. Your mirror. And then your shower.
Bam. The bedroom.
Is that pretty much it for the
Yeah.
inside?
Nice little wood view out the window.
There you go.
And the fridge.
Lots of wood there.
Yeah.
And then the only other thing that we haven't shown you, so you've got, this is your kind of entrance area, and then just to the left hand side is your barbecue. So that is your quick whistle stop tour of the cabin.
Where we're going to be staying for the next few days.
Yeah.
I I'm excited to stay here.
It's gonna be good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what we'll do now is we'll insert some footage about what it's like at the main entrance where the reception and the pool and stuff like that is.
What it means is we'll show the amenities of the resort.
That is exactly what I meant.
There's something inside.
What
What
do
did
we
we
miss?
miss?
The hanger.
Oh, we need to see. Let me see this.
And this is the hanger.
There we go. Yep, we missed them. Very valid point you've got there, Ollie. If you need to hang something up, you have 5 hangers. Can't believe we missed that.
I know. That's where you put your coats.
So as you arrive to Davy Crockett's Ranch, on the right hand side that's your reception, and then that's Davy's farm around the back there. That's just, from what I've gathered, is the exit to
There's
reception.
a giant bear in the back. I've just seen it.
Yep. You've got Crockett's Tavern there, which is your buffet.
These serves to the table, I believe. Still.
Being served at the table. So you've got the pool to the left, the restaurant to the left, and then you've got Alamo Trading Post, which is where we're going now. That is the little mini mart here. Yeah.
Alamo Trading Post.
So your left hand side is all your Disney merch,
Sorry.
and then your right hand side is your food. So in the little mini mart you can get fresh fruit, and you've also got the briquettes there if you want to do the barbecue. Here you've got like your waffles and your croissants. You've got eggs here with bread, cereals. That's your coffee, your tea, your jams, your Nutella, and you've got your freezers. So what you got here? Veg. Looks like, are they pasties? Oh, the spaghetti bolognese. You got chicken nuggets, fries, frozen beef burgers, ice creams, water. What's that? 160 for that. And then you've got cordial, soft drinks, crisps, tons of stuff. And then of course, Goofy's Candy Company. Your fridges, you've got your beer and wine, all frozen ready, or frozen fridged. And so same with your large soft drinks. So €2.90 for the big Coke. I don't think that's bad actually. That could be a lot worse. Ham, butter, cheese, and then you've got milk, yogurts, your cold meats, and little meals. So you got like sausages, meatballs, beef burgers, Tex-Mex.
Pastas.
Oh, little pastas. Okay. Horses down at the bottom, crepes, and then sandwiches and your little drinks on here. This is the Saloons Bar. Well, hopefully you can make it out with the reflection and move it slowly. That's what they offer. So this is a meal deal that they have on at the moment, which is €12 per person to start your day with breakfast. So you pick up your breakfast basket in the morning and from one of the cottages near your bungalow from 7 till 11.
Oh, I could get used to this.